painless.
Damn, what a beautiful hole.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm that 1320 chick, and today we are finally getting to work on my car again. Can you just act excited for me? So we're here doing the ice tank. If you watched my last video, or if you didn't, I talked about how the trans was supposed to come back, and unfortunately today is Saturday and it was supposed to be Friday, and there's no trans here. So pretty annoyed about that, but I'm not gonna even go into that anymore because I don't wanna be angry again. So basically Brian and I are finishing up the fuel lines. So we have some video of putting it through the back and putting the pump. Not the fuel lines, the ice tank lines. So I'm gonna go over all that. And then Brian and I are basically gonna get the car as close to being done as possible, set the engine in, and I guess start putting the blower on, whatever we can accomplish together today. And then we have a buddy coming over tomorrow to help us. And then we're going to just kind of hold on the trans. So my dad's already been working on the tune. It's gonna be a little different than his tune because he's a 10 rib 5th gen blower, so we're gonna be somewhat similar, so it won't be too long. It's not like he'll have to develop one from scratch. So hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll be able to get to the track. We're 100% going to Streetcar Columbus. It is the 13th of June, so as long as I can get a weekend to test or get a couple days to test the car before, because we made the mistake a ton last year of going to the track without the car being tested, and we had a battery issue or this issue and the car shut down and blah blah blah, which we normally don't run into those issues, but when it's a fresh build sometimes you have to iron out the kinks. So really excited. Just honest to God, I don't even care if we go to the track. I just want to drive it. I just miss the car because we went from winter storage, drove it at Texas for a weekend, and then basically winter storage again with everything going on with COVID and switching engines and transmissions. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I also have merch coming out if you guys are interested, and I'm only saying it because I'm wearing it, but I don't know if you'll be able to see. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. So if you guys are interested, let me know because I'm gonna start making some of these and getting a website together. But other than that, I think you're pretty up to date. So I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna start working on this. Oh, I found your speaker.
Hey, put that somewhere in the front so we can take it home.
Okay. So right now we are plumbing. We're gonna try to start plumbing my ice tank. We put it in originally before Texas. It's just kind of sitting there. So we figured while we're waiting for the trans to come back, we might as well start doing what we gotta do to button stuff up. So with no power to pop the trunk, I have to crawl through. So wish me luck.
Here.
Okay. Thank you.
I think it's like on the trunk lid.
Yep.
Oh, I see it.
I see it too. All right. Oh. Watch out for my butt, please. Sorry. I knew that was gonna happen. I'm gonna go this way. Oh. you go check?
Yep. Hey. One joke capacity.
What a flattering angle, I'm sure.
It is.
This is the ice tank and it's already been mounted. It's been secured. We did it before we went to Texas, but we just didn't have time to run the lines. And since I wasn't running the 10-rim system, I wasn't totally concerned about it, so at least it's been in. Well, this little guy, this pump, we're having a hard time figuring out where we want to put it because it's a gravity-driven system. This has to be lower than that line. And then right there with the yellow cap, has to go through the car so the lines go up to the front. So Brian and I are arguing right now on where we want to put it. He wants
arguing.
bickering.
Discussing. We're discussing.
Okay, well, I want it in here and he wants it in the bumper, and I don't love that idea. I don't know why. I just have a feeling like it's gonna fall off. I don't know. So we're trying my idea right now, and I'm going to beat it with the hammer. Brian's mad at me, but no one's gonna be looking in here anyway, so I don't care what it looks like. So I'm making the executive decision that it's going right there. I think it looks clean, it's the safest, and it'll be gravity enough.
Gravity enough.
It'll have enough gravity to work correctly. And there's a hole already in here.
Yeah, but we're not even going to use that hole.
What about for the yellow thing? For the
It's
yellow
not
line?
in the right spot.
I don't care, we're doing it this way.
Alright, fine.
I never get to make any of my own decisions on this car because of you.
No.
Yes.
No, you say it like it's a bad thing. I'm only trying to guide you in what I know to put your car together correctly.
The placement of as long as the pump works, the placement doesn't matter.
Yeah, but if it's a pain in the ass to run lines, then it does matter.
You're
Then
only
it's
gonna
a
do
bigger
it.
hassle.
You're only gonna run the lines one time, and then it's done. One time.
Yeah.
And then it's done.
You're
But guess
right.
what? If it falls off because it's in the bumper, because
It's
I'm
not
doing a
your
huge
fault.
wheel. No, I'm gonna do a huge wheel stand.
You're such an ass. Your mufflers are going to protect it. Your mufflers
Rear
will
mount
scrape
turbos
first.
have fallen off. We've seen that. Bouncing down the highway. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Gone. Ding. Gone. That's what's gonna happen to this.
It's not.
Yes, I'm just gonna go so fast that it's gonna rattle it off. Like it needs to be contained.
Joe, we talked about this yesterday. Out of the 3 types of dads, I'm secure load dad. So anything I tighten down is never moving.
I just don't trust setting it up the same way that it was on the CTS because CTS was slow.
Did it ever have an issue with the CTS?
But it was
Or
slow.
did it ever have an issue?
No.
Okay,
But
then.
that car was slow. You can't compare. This car's way faster.
You're so... the way you're rationalizing this is ridiculous.
Don't compare a slow car to a fast car.
It's the same.
Ask all the fast
it's
cars.
The same,
Go on
no.
the Whipple page. Go on the Whipple page and ask them how they do it because I want to compare to fast cars, not slow cars.
All right, call Brian up.
Crane?
Yeah.
He doesn't have an S550.
Doesn't matter. He's got an ice tank.
Then you call him.
You
I don't
call
have his
him.
number.
Okay.
Okay.
Here. All I want to do is just make sure that we're fairly
Under that line.
even just a little bit. So actually we can push this down a little bit more.
Okay.
I'll probably sit a little bit better, but I think your dad has a level one here, or else I'll grab one.
ready?
Yeah, hit it with the hammer. Nope, please use the other end.
Hey, worked.
See? And then you can go there. Hit it even better.
And then you drill a little hole first again?
Nope, that's what this one does itself. Yep.
Okay. So what we were doing underneath the car is we were plumbing the return line. So that's going to need to be coming through here. And then once it comes in through here, we're gonna plumb it to here. So we left the heat exchanger at home, unfortunately, so we aren't able to put it in, but we'll show you eventually when that gets here, because hopefully someone will deliver it to us. Still waiting on that though. But I'm going to be cutting a hole in here.
The little tiny drill mark. Okay, ready when you is.
Let's see what I can do.
Oh.
Apparently, broke the bit.
Mommy. I don't know if you broke it or if it just popped out.
No, it was going forward. It was almost through. No, look at it. It's shattered. That's the bit.
That is.
Am I going into something that I shouldn't be?
No, you went through.
I think I see it.
Where the fuck the rest of that bit go?
Oh no. I've never.
That was a new
That's
one.
like the one time it was actually working well for me.
Yeah, that was strange.
Should I?
Let's find that bit.
Yeah. What? Look at it.
I know, it snapped it
yeah,
sheer
like
off.
sheared off it.
Hold on, stop moving.
Oh, sorry.
Clear off. That's wild.
What?
Yeah, that's weird.
Was I pushing too hard?
I don't know. I don't think there's anything on the backside you could have caught.
Dang. Look at all that ugliness now.
So Joe broke things.
Take number 2. Try again.
Damn, what a beautiful hole.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's run this hoe.
Put your grommet on it.
Love it? Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, I just had to stop recording.
Yeah, I don't know why. Something's wrong with it. These new iPhones they say get better and better, but in my luck, they all continue to get worse and worse. Like every single one has some sort of weird glitch that, of course, Apple goes, "Oh, we've never heard of that." Just like the dealership when you drop off your car. Sir, I can't. It's not making the noise again.
We can't duplicate the issue, but we'll put it on record.
Right. All right. Do you want to lift it to bring it back up to get it out, or
Yeah.
to run it through. I mean,
Yep.
I got that on easier than I was expecting. Today's a good Saturday. Sort of. What a beauty. Oh. So Brian is cutting this to be able to put the little elbow on it. So we're using our trusty razor blade to get through it.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! So lately I've become really OCD and I want to vacuum between each step of everything that we do, and Brian gets irritated with me, but there's this broken bit that I just did, so I have my dad's trusty Ryobi little shop vac, and it has been fantastic. So pause for a second while I clean.
Okay.
Here's the ice tank finished. We got everything ran. Unfortunately, we are a little out of whack again with filming. Our friends stopped by to help put the engine in, so we totally forgot to film the rest. So this is what it looks like. We're really happy with how it worked out, and now we finally got the trans back. I am hoping that we will get to it this weekend, but just for safety and a good peace of mind, we decided to order a new converter. And the reason for that is because we don't know. The trans builder said that it was just clutch dust that was in there, and I don't know, with it being everything fresh and everything brand new, I think it's just the best bet to get a new converter, which Ford said it would be another couple days. We are sticking with the stock converter. I know a lot of people are going to see this and say, go Circle D. Fastest Whipple car in the country, Zach Myers, does not have one, and I just don't think I need one. If he's going as fast as he is, then there's no need for it. So please mind my appearance. Brian and I have been painting all weekend. We are finally in our new house. This is our new backyard. We're really excited to kind of be able to focus on my car and finally have the peace of mind that we have our new house finally after 3 months. So this is this video. If you guys like to see anything, let me know. Comment, concerns, questions, whatever you got. We appreciate it. We'll talk to you guys in the next video.